Hello guys, we're here with a BMW 3 Series, a G21, a 330e. For safety reasons you can turn off the passenger airbag, and you can do it by putting the key over here and turn the airbag of the passenger off. That's the first thing to do, and then we will disconnect the batteries. 3 in total. First we will open the trunk and we will lock the lock of the trunk, so the car thinks that it's locked entirely. So we can, and then we can disconnect the batteries. So the lock is locked here, and then we will disconnect the batteries. 3 in total. Over here there is one battery, and over here there's also a battery. First you need to disconnect this wiring, and then you disconnect the hybrid battery. Then we will take place into the car, and if we see that the hybrid battery is disconnected, we will disconnect the main battery that's placed over here, and then in the last one we will disconnect this battery. So pull out the red piece of plastic, and now it's disconnected. So now we have to push 3 times on the start-stop button, and then we have to see on the dashboard that the hybrid battery is disconnected. High voltage system deactivated. So that's the first thing we need to do. And now we will disconnect the main battery. Pull out the 2 trim clips. And then we can see the original BMW battery. First disconnect the negative wiring and then the positive side. So the previous times we tried to disconnect the battery, the car alarm started every time. Now we didn't lock the car. We haven't pushed on the car key to lock the car, so the car is not locked now. And we have waited about 3 minutes until all the lighting of the car turned off. And now we will test again to disconnect the main battery, and we will start by disconnecting the negative side. In the moment of truth, will the car alarm go off or not? No alarm at this moment. So if you disconnect this main battery, do not lock the car with your key. So now the main battery is disconnected, and now we will do the auxiliary battery. Also first the negative side and then the positive side. The negative side first. No alarms, no airbags released. And now the positive side.
Dat is nu moeilijk, is het?
This is a bit more difficult because there's not a lot of space to do it upwards. So all the three batteries are disconnected now. The hybrid system over there, that's the first one. The main battery is the second one. And then the auxiliary battery as third. We will connect the batteries again. First the auxiliary battery. First the positive side. Then the negative side. Still no airbags have been employed, have been exploded. And then the main battery, first the positive side.
Naast die knop.
Hier zitten nog twee pinnetjes hier precies.
Ja, dat zijn ze.
And then the negative side. Druk leren inderdaad wel.
Kan dus er ook af.
And then we will connect the hybrid battery again. And that's everything you have to do. Now we can start the car. On this side I'm still safe because this is in the off position.
Ja, staat op staan.
And everything seems to work perfect again. Also this time a strong job, from our little colleague Renzo. Great job.
Thank you. Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.